Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet bookmark designs model. Let's start the video. A crochet bookmark is a handmade bookmark created using crochet techniques. It is typically made with fine yarn or thread and a small crochet hook to create intricate designs. These bookmarks can be simple or highly decorative, featuring patterns such as flowers like tassels or even themed shapes like hearts or animals and flowers. Crochet bookmarks make great gifts, are lightweight, and add a personal touch to reading. They can be made using different stitches, including basic chains, single crochet, double crochet, and even more advanced lace work techniques. Here are some useful tips for crocheting a bookmark. Number 1. Choose the right yarn or hook. Use lightweight yarn or crocheted thread. Use a small crochet hook. Helps create a delicate and tight stitch. Number 2. Pick a simple pattern first. Start with the basic rectangle or lace design before trying advanced shape. Popular stitches for bookmarks: chain stitch, single crochet, double crochet, shell stitch, or picot edging. Number 3. Keep it flat. Avoid bulky stitches to prevent the bookmark from being too thick. Lock your bookmark, pin it down, and steam or wet it to keep it flat. Number 4. Add a decorative touch. Use tassels, rings, or beads at the ends for a stylish finish. Try flower, heart, or leaf appliques to make it unique. Number 5. Use a stitch marker. Since bookmarks are small projects, a stitch marker helps you track of rows or pattern repeats. Number 6. Experiment with colors. Try ombre yarns or two-tone designs for a pretty effect. Number 7. Reinforce foldability. Use a tighter tension to the bookmark. Holds its shape. Stiffen with fabric stiffener or a light strass spray if needed. Here are more detailed tips to help you create a beautiful and travel crochet bookmarks. Material and tool selection. Use fine thread or lightweight yarn. Crochet thread. Light cotton yarn keeps the bookmark delicate and thin. Choose a small hook. A steel crochet hook ensures tight, intricate stitches. Use a tapestry needle, helps weave in ends neatly for a professional finish. Techniques for a perfect bookmark. Work with even tension, keeps the bookmark uniform in shape, and prevents curling. Use simple stitch patterns. Avoid bulky stitches, lacy, fillet crochet, or single crochet designs work best. Dock the bookmark, pin it to a board and lightly spray with water or use a steam iron with a cloth in between to keep it flat. Add borders or edging. A simple picoted shell or scalloped edge adds elegance. Design enhancements incorporate open work or light, increases readability and enhances aesthetics. Use clear variations. Experiment with ombre yarn, gradient designs, or multicolor patterns for a unique look. Attach charm or beads. Small beads, pearls, or charms on tassels add a decorative touch. Durability and maintenance. Stiffen the bookmark. Use fabric stiffener, diluted glue, or strass spray for frame structure. Weaving ends securely. Use a tapestry needle to tuck in loose threads neatly. Make it washable. Choose color-first yarn or thread. The bookmark can be gently hand washed if needed. Advanced techniques for a professional look. Use a foundation chain that is not too tight. A looser chain prevents curling and makes it easier to work into. Try Tunisian crochet. This technique creates a sturdy, open texture that is great for bookmarks. Experiment with fillet crochet. Create lace-like designs using open and closed scars for intricate patterns. Add embroidery or cross stitch. If using single crochet stitches, embroidery or cross stitch can personalize your bookmark. Use invisible finishing techniques. Try the invisible join method to create a seamless finish instead of a knot. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!